Hi friends, it's the
Suitcase Teachers, Miss Allie
and Miss Steph, and we are back to learn another one of our 5 superstar vowels. Do you remember what those 5 superstar vowels are?
I bet you do.
They're A,
E,
I,
O,
and
U. Okay, so with our 5 superstar vowels, we also learned a hand motion because we've learned 3 of our 5 superstar vowels, and our first one we learned was the letter A. Do you guys remember what we did with that one? That's right. We made a fist, and Miss Steph taught us that it kind of looks like us eating an apple. Okay, so let's do that together. A says ah, ah, ah. All right, let's do that one more time. A says ah, ah, ah.
Good job.
Yeah.
And for the letter E, Miss Allie taught us that we bend our fingers down a little bit and put our thumb in where it kind of looks like the lowercase e.
Yeah.
And our mouth drops. So you ready? Let's practice E.
E says eh, eh, eh.
Good job. Let's do it again.
E says eh, eh, eh. Then we went and we learned the letter I, and Miss Steph taught us that our pinky comes up and it looks real short because we don't open our mouth a whole lot, just like your pinky is real thin like that. So the I said eh, eh, eh. All right, let's do that again. I says eh, eh, eh.
Good job.
Well, today, Miss Steph, do you think you might know if we've learned A, we learned E, we've learned I? Do you guys think you might know what we're going to learn today?
Oh, if you guessed the letter O, you are correct.
That's right.
The letter
O. Okay, so for this one, this is so easy to do. So your hand's just going to make a circle like this, just like the letter O looks, and it also reminds us of how O sounds. Because O, your mouth is just going to make just like a letter O, and you're going to say ah, ah, ah. So O, just a circle, and you try that with us. O says ah, ah, ah. Let's do that one more time. O says ah, ah, ah. Good job.
All right, so now that we know the letter motion and the letter sound, let's see what our magical suitcase has. Because for A, E, and I, it had things inside that began with that sound.
And we got to go to those places. That was so fun. Like the A, we went to the apple orchard.
And E, we went to see eggs at the hen farm.
We did. And I, we learned all about instruments.
Oh, I can't wait to see what our suitcase has in store for O, ah, ah, ah.
I'm so excited about that too. Oh, there are some cool things in here.
There are.
What do you see first, Miss Steph?
Okay, first I see an otter.
Oh, it's so cute.
There's otters. There's such cute little animals. Otter.
Let's do that together. O says ah, 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 as in otter. Love that. Okay, these are some of my favorite. Not everybody likes these though, okay? But this is a jar of olives.
Olives.
Olives. Let's say that together. O says ah, 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 like in olives.
Oh, I see something here. This looks like an officer.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's say that together. O says ah, 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 like an officer. Ooh, look how cute this one is. O says ah, like an ostrich.
So cute.
Oh my goodness. Let's say that together. O says ah, 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 like an ostrich.
Oh, those are so cute.
I know. Maybe we should look back on these, and every time the suitcase has taken us somewhere that was in the suitcase.
It has. Let's see if it's gonna take us somewhere we want.
Anyway, okay, all right, let's go back to what was the first thing you
we
saw?
Had an otter.
Okay, you can visit those like at a zoo or at a aquarium.
True.
Okay, we might be able to do that.
Yeah.
That would be fun.
That would be fun. They're so cute too.
They are so cute. Then I saw some olives.
I don't know. I don't really know if olives grow anywhere near us.
I don't think so. I think those are out like in other
countries.
Yeah,
I don't think we can go that far.
I don't think we could do olives.
I don't think so either.
How
about officer?
Okay, we could go visit like a police station and meet some officers and what they do.
We could, because they're very nice.
They're very nice.
They're there to help us out.
They are. I mean, that would be kind of fun. And then the last one we had was an ostrich.
Okay, they're at some zoos.
Yeah, they are, and I mean, but there's not a lot of ostrich farms.
No.
Man, this one's a hard one.
It's hard.
I don't know where we're gonna go. I'm kind of excited about this.
Me too.
All right.
Wait to see where we're going.
Are you guys excited? We are too. All right, let's review that. Ready? O says ah, ah, ah. Very good, guys. All right, let's take this magic suitcase and let's go see Miss Steph where we're going to go. Are you guys ready?
Yay, I can't wait. Come
on. All right, we'll see you there.